Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I am going to show you how you can make money using Discord in 2026. And if you watch this video all the way till the end, then I can guarantee that you will walk away with at least some knowledge on how to make money on Discord, which you can further use to buy Nitro or anything you please. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the website that we are going to be using in today's video goes by the name of payrole.io. And what they basically do is that they let you launch server memberships to your community. So let me show you the step-by-step process. Alright, so first of all you would want to sign up on their website and link your payment method so that you can get paid. Now obviously I cannot show you that due to privacy reasons, but once you do that you are going to have a screen like this. You would want to click on the seller account. Alright, so now in order to tell you about the credibility of this website, as you can see that they have done a lot of business and this many purchases have been done through this website. So this gives you a lot of idea as to if the website is legit or not. So now that we know that the site is trustworthy, so let me go through the process. Alright, so now in order to get started, you'd want to head over to the packages tab and you'd want to create a package. Now I'm going to type in something. You can select your currency and I'm going to set the price to 0 for the demonstration purpose. And you can add any points like premium, and for the rewards you can mention like a special role. And as we mentioned earlier that we are going to provide a special role, so here we can select the Discord role, and now it is going to give you an option to add Discord guild. It will basically ask you to link the Discord bot. So whichever server you want to link it, you can select here and click on continue. Alright, so now once you are done linking your Discord bot, you would want to select the Discord role option again. And let's say I want to try it on this server. I'll select any random icon. And we can create a custom Discord role, so let me do that real quick. So let's say that I have created this role, and you can definitely add permission and perks on your own. Alright, so let's say that I want to provide them with this role right here, so I'll click on this and we can click on save. And once you have saved it, now you can post it in your Discord server or anywhere else in order to promote it. So if I copy it and let's say I want to post it in my Discord server, and when I click on the membership link, it's going to confirm my Discord account. So once I do that, alright, so as you can see that we have gotten the payment screen. So now obviously I cannot show you my payment details, so I'm going to complete the payment and we'll see if we get the role or not. Alright, so as you can see that we have gotten the premium role in the Discord server, and you can modify the role according to your convenience. And another thing that I would like to show you about Payrole is their app thing. So you can even create your own app. And the best thing about their platform is that they have documentation for almost everything. I'm going to drop the link to the website as well as the documentation in the description below. Now obviously I do not want to make the video too long, so I am not going to show you how to do the app thing, but I'll definitely go through the steps. So as you can see in the documentation, it allows you to create your own application and you can advertise it to your customers and you can have a read if you want. And another good thing about this website is that they only charge a 3% commission, which you compare to the normal Discord membership, they charge like 10%. So it is a very profitable way you can make memberships on your Discord server and potentially earn money from it. So guys, make sure to check out payrole.io and goodbye, have a nice day.